So when installing a 90% furnace, you have a fresh air and you have an exhaust. And that right there is an inducer motor, exhaust out of the inducer motor assembly. And if you can hear that, that is the water rushing back from this vent pipe. See, it just stopped. I just got this pipe leaning back towards the furnace because it has to lean back towards the furnace to drain. And it drains from the bottom of that little collector box that the inducer assembly is sitting on, the little flue box. And then that drain goes into my pump. So I'm going to show you what a concentric vent is and talk about this fresh air and exhaust pipe for this 90% furnace. Problem when I got on the job was that the flame was going back out. And the reason it was going back out because this right here was not level back to the furnace or having a slight fall, gravity fall. Now right there's a concentric vent. The exhaust pipe is on top and the fresh air is on the bottom. I came over here and I could feel the water inside of this pipe. I'm going to show you real quick what I did. Whoopsies. That right there is the strap. I just basically loosened the screws and released that strap from holding this drain. You can see needs a little bit more fall, but it's almost right for this gas furnace. This is a common problem you're going to find in the field, and I just want to show you guys here on Tips for Technicians and talk about a little bit of the configuration for the piping. Got to have fallback to the inducer assembly, otherwise it's going to cause an issue. You need primary and secondary air, and you need this fresh air to be free. And this right here, you need a screen on the outside of the concentric vent so that you don't have any birds, or because that's a common problem as well, having birds in the inducer assembly. That right there on the outside is a vent, and you need to make sure that you put a screen over it. Also make sure that you make these pipes fall back towards the furnace. Fresh air doesn't matter, it's not going to condensate, but your exhaust will, okay? Tips for Technicians, Tad, talking about a 90% gas furnace here.